Hi friends, welcome to the Tricky Bio by Rajesh. In this video, we'll be discussing about the most important topic, that is the human circulatory system. In the previous video, I already told you about the brief introduction about the human heart. In this video, we'll be discussing about the parts of the human heart. Okay, so you already know that the human beings, we have a four-chambered heart, right? So the upper two chambers and the lower two chambers. So upper two chambers, they are called auricles or atrium. Atrium is formally called as an auricles. Okay, so the lower two chambers are the ventricles. Okay, these are the right atrium and the left atrium, in the right ventricle and the left ventricle. Okay, you can view in the this is my the left side and this is of right side of me. Okay, so right auricle, left auricle, and the right ventricle and the left ventricle. Okay, so there is a septa present in the between. I mean, septa is present in the middle of the heart. Okay, this is the septa which is present at the middle of the heart, and septa is extended towards. Okay, so you have to imagine in a 3D way. We cannot write a 3D diagram. This is a 2D diagram. Okay, so you just imagine in 3D way, septa is present at the middle of the heart, right? So there is a presence of a septa in between the right atrium and the left atrium. So before coming to that, I'll tell you one thing, how to remember, where you would be confused in the which is auricle, which is ventricle. Okay, so you can remember easily by AV. Okay, you can remember by AV. Okay, so AV comes first, right? AV, there is audio and video. Audio comes first and video. Okay, so you just remember in simple thing, that is a AV. Auricle comes first and the ventricle comes next. Okay, so coming back to the topic, that is the right auricle and the left auricle. So there is a presence of I told you that septa is present and extend towards, right? So septa present between the auricles, that is the right auricle and the left auricle. So present between the septa is present between the two auricles. So we call it as a inter. Okay, so between. Okay, so that is the inter atrial septa. Okay, interatrial septa. Interatrial septa is present between the right atrium and the left atrium. Okay, and similarly the septa is present between the right ventricle and the left ventricle. So we call it as a interventricular septa. Okay, it is nothing but the interventricular septa. It's quite easy. Okay, the septa present between the two auricles, that is the right auricle or the left auricle, right atrium or the left atrium, that is the interatrial septa. Between the ventricles, interventricular septa is present. Okay, so coming back, so there is a presence of valves between the atrium and the ventricle. Okay, there is a presence of a valve. This is a tricuspid valve. Okay, this is a tricuspid valve is present, and bicuspid valve is also present. So bicuspid valve is also called as a mitral valve. Okay, that is the opening of the from the auricles to ventricles. There is a presence of an opening of a bicuspid valve or a mitral valve is present between the left atrium to the left ventricle. Okay, there is a presence of a tricuspid valve between the right atrium and the right ventricle, because we call it as a tricuspid and bicuspid because they have a cusp-like structures has been present. So they have the bicuspid valve on the left side, tricuspid valve on the right side. Okay, this is about the valves. Okay, and there is also a presence of movement takes place between the atrium and ventricle. Okay, that is also called, I mean, there is a septa present between the atrium and ventricle is also called as an atrioventricular septa. Okay, right, atrioventricular septa. I forgot to tell you. Okay, this is the atrioventricular septa between the atrium and the ventricle. Atrium and the ventricle, there is a presence of an atrioventricular septa. Okay, this is about the four-chambered heart, the auricles and the ventricles. And from the right ventricle, these pulmonary arteries arise from the right ventricle. So it is a T-shaped like structure. You can remember easily when you writing the diagram of the heart. You can imagine it is a T-shaped like structure. Okay, from the right ventricle, T-shaped like structure is arise, And from the left ventricle, there is an off S-shaped like structure is arise. That is the aorta. Okay. From the right ventricle, a T-shaped like structure is arise. That is the pulmonary artery. From the left ventricle, there is an off S-shaped like structure is arise. That is the aorta. Okay, you can remember easily. I am telling you that. Okay. So, and this is about the and there is a presence of a semi-lunar valves between here. Okay, from the right ventricle it arises pulmonary artery, but there is a presence of a valves right here. There is a semi-lunar valves. It looks like a semi-lunar shape. Semi, you say something like half. Okay, semi is a half. Lunar, moon. It's a moon-like shape. Okay, half moon-like shape valves are present because half moon like it looks like in a half moon like. Okay, so it is present due to there is an only see the presence of walls because the movement of blood takes place in a particular direction, so there is a presence of a wall here. Okay, and I already told you heart is made up of a cardiac muscles, right? So there is a presence of a special tissue called a nodal tissue is present, right? So the nodal tissue here, there is here there is present of any two nodal tissues. Okay, I'll tell you just an example. See, there is a presence of any two nodal tissues in the right atrium chamber. Okay, there is a presence of any nodal tissues in the right atrium chamber at the different places. Okay, this is the, you can call it as a SAN, that is the sinoatrium node. Okay, sinoatrium node. Okay, this is a SAM. You can call it a SAM. The presence of a sinoatricular node at the right auricle. Okay, and there is a presence of this is an atrioventricular node. This is called an AV node. Okay, this is an AV node. Okay, this is an AV node and this is an SA node. Okay, we can call it as a SA node. Okay, atrioventricular node. And through the septa, atrioventricular node, it moves down. Okay, through septa it comes down and divided into two branches. Okay, it divides into two branches. It comes towards the covering of the ventricles. Okay, comes to the covering of the ventricles. Two branches come to the covering of the ventricle, and they will be divided, and again they will be looks like a branching takes place and looks like a fibers. Okay, on both sides, on the left ventricle and the right ventricle, they move like in a fibers. Okay, that fibers, the covers of fibers are called as they are nothing but the Purkinje fibers. Okay, Purkinje fibers. They are nothing but the Purkinje fibers. We'll call it as a Purkinje fiber. So on the left ventricle there is a Purkinje fibers, and the right ventricle there is a Purkinje fiber. Together of the left ventricle covering and the right ventricle covering of a Purkinje fibers are called as a bundle of His. Okay, the most important topic. Okay, this is the most important thing. Bundle of His. We call it as a bundle of His. Okay, this is about the parts of the heart, and there is a presence of a vena cava also. Okay, this is about the heart. You can remember easily through, like, you look at these words and you can remember by auricles and ventricles through AV, and structure by this is an off-shaped S structure, that is an aorta, and pulmonary artery is a T-like shaped structure, and there is a presence of an auricles and ventricles. Between the auricles there is a septa, that is an interauricular septa, and between the ventricles there is an interventricular septa. Okay, and between the auricles and the ventricular atrioventricular septa is also present, and there is a bicuspid valve, and you can call it as also a mitral valve. Okay, there is a presence of a mitral valve. This is a bicuspid. Most important, this is a tricuspid valve. Okay, it is a tricuspid valve, and presence of a Purkinje fibers. They are together known as a bundle of His. Okay, this is about some parts of the heart. I think you understand the topic. Okay, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.